Hello Year 8, and thank you for watching the final celebration assembly for this year. Obviously a little bit different this year, doing it virtually, but we still wanted to celebrate the amazing work that you have been doing at home and in the mini school. So 2 people have won the award, joint first place for every single subject. Those people will receive a certificate and you will receive a little prize as well. Also, you'll see on your Go for Schools, so many people have also got an R3 for just consistent good work. So have a look on your Go for Schools. If you've got an R3 from me last week, that's because you had a nomination and you've done some brilliant work as well. So the first award I'm going to give out is a Pastoral Award. That is from myself and Miss Gillard for 2 Year 8 students, joint first place, that have just been consistently amazing the whole time in every subject. So the first person that has won that award is Morgan in 8.5. Well done, Morgan, amazing work.
And well done too to Bella in 8.8. A certificate of excellence is coming to you.
Well done, Bella. So the second award is for maths. So many of you did amazing work for maths. I know we had lots of great examples, but the first winner for maths is Danny in 8.3. Well done, Danny.
And certificate going to Holly in 8.5. Well done.
Well done, Holly. Okay, so moving on to English. Obviously, loads of fantastic work in English. Certainly the assessments that we saw, looking at the Tempest that we saw on the last examples. Well done. 2 winners. The first winner is Maya in 8.3. Amazing work. Well done, Maya.
And also in English, Hayden from 8.4. Well done to Hayden.
Brilliant, Hayden. Well done on that hard work. Okay, moving on to science. So loads of fantastic work being submitted for the science department. Miss Cowling, thank you for sending so many nominations. But the joint first place first winner is Sam in 8.3.
Well done to Sam, and also Jessica from 8.2. You've also received a certificate in science.
Okay, so geography, loads of geographers out there. 2 joint winners. The first winner is Matthew in 8.8.
Well done to Matthew, and also to Tierney from 8.4. Well done you.
Okay, so drama. Lots of drama nominations. The joint first winner for drama is Oliver in 8.7. Well done, Oliver.
And also well done to Lara in 8.8.
Well done, Lara. Okay, history. This student has obviously done really well across the board. So also, you have won the History Joint Award for Oliver in 8.7.
And also an award goes to Alicia in 8.5 for her history.
Well done, Alicia. You've obviously done really well over this time because you've had lots of nominations and prizes. So moving on to French, this person has won the joint first place award. Paulina in 8.5. Well done, Paulina.
And in French also Anthony from 8.7. Well done to you again.
Well done, Anthony. Okay, so moving on to German, thank you for Mr. Bourne and Miss Utteridge for sending lots of nominations. So the first joint first winner is Tom in 8.7.
Also in German, Francesca, well done in 8.1.
Well done, Francesca. Okay, so Certificate of Excellence in RE. We did see example of this student's work in the last assembly, and that is Alunid. Well done, Alunid, in 8.1.
Also, well done goes to Charlie in 8.4 for his work in RE. Well done to you.
Well done, Charlie. Okay, so moving on to food. Again, this example was seen in the last assembly. This person made a beautiful lemon meringue. It looked so perfect, much better than mine, as I said. So well done to Ella in 8.3.
Also, Anthony in 8.7. Well done to you for your food tech.
Well done, Anthony. Okay, so this person has done phenomenally across the board. Another certificate for music this time, Charlie in 8.4.
And also well done to Holly for her music from 8.5.
Well done, Holly. Okay, DT Award, Charlie in 8.4. Well done, Charlie, you've done so well during this time.
And thank you to Alicia, well done to you from 8.5.
Okay, so art, this was so difficult. The quality of work is astonishing, but this person went over and above and did something incredibly ambitious. You would have seen it on the last assembly, the huge painting of the landscape with the mountains. Well done to Paulina in 8.5.
And also a certificate goes to Edward in 8.8. Well done to you.
Well done, Edward. Thank you for your consistent hard work across the board, but particularly in art. Well done to you. Okay, so PE. The first joint first place award goes to Theo in 8.1. Well done, Theo. Great work.
And also well done to Francesca from 8.1. Well done to you.
Okay, so It's time now to say goodbye. I'm moving on, as you know, to a different role. I will miss you all so much, but I'm excited for you to have a new fantastic head of year and to still have Miss Gillard. I hope that you're really excited to come back to school and do some great things. I will keep hearing lots of updates from Miss Gillard on how you're doing, and I know that you'll do so well. So have a really restful summer, and I'm just going to pass you over to your new amazing head of year, Miss Letts, who's just going to say a hello. So bye Year 8 and good luck with everything. Well done.
Hello Year 8, just a quick one from me. I'm really looking forward to meeting you all in September, hopefully under slightly more normal circumstances. For now, have a really restful summer. I know you've all worked really hard, and take care. I look forward to seeing you soon.